are doing something completely different than we ever done before. So we are here now at the train station, and yeah, let's surprise you guys. So we are at the Krungthep Apribat station here. It's not so full currently, and we're gonna search now for our train, maybe some food, because we will have a train ride about 12 hours. That's crazy. So yeah, let's go. Okay, we just picked up some food.
Fresh pad thai.
And some soup
some
and
dumplings.
So now we have to find our gate. They say gate here, which we will,
It's actually
head to our
airport.
adventure. It looks like an airport, absolutely.
Train station.
And I hope our bag fits into the place.
We are ready for that adventure. Oh, I see the queue. Look at this long queue for Chiang Mai.
So we printed our tickets. It's time to board now for the boarding. So it's time for the boarding. We got our tickets and we are here with all the backpackers.
In the queue.
So I'm so excited for this adventure.
So we found our seats and our bed for tonight.
We're just beside each other. So the luggage should fit.
Looks comfy.
Made it. Wow, you got it. I decided to take soup because it's so complicated.
The trip started.
Just the right time for sunset.
What a dinner, sunset dinner. What a sunset. Here it is.
Okay guys, so I am now at the toilet of the train. Everything is super clean here actually. Here is not drinking water, but still no water coming out here. Only a little bit, you have to push harder. So yeah, this is like the bathroom here. For women you have the bathroom to sit and you also have the bathroom to stand, so I will show you. So this is the one to sit. Super clean actually. You have toilet paper, some for the hands, so it's very clean. I'll show you the one for the man. Super clean as well. So as you can see, the train is super clear. You even have a restaurant that you can go for food. It's between 170 to 250 baht, the food. There are also some people that are coming here around and ask for fresh juice. Now take me back to Maui again. Here he is, eating his pad thai. Still eating his pad thai with chopsticks.
I'm not so good eating with chopstick, but I'm giving my best. I've 7:20 and it's already time to go to bed.
They're preparing the bed now, so he's doing it really fast.
Sorry, ขอทางหน่อยจ้าขอทางหน่อยนะจ๊ะ
The bed is prepared. We got a pillow for the head and a blanket if you're cold. And it's so cool. It's like when you were a child and you build like these houses under the sofa or whatever. It's so cool. It's just an adventure, an amazing experience, and I think I will probably sleep very well. I also bring some sleep eye mask and also
Let's go to brush our teeth. Okay, I just go to the toilet, guys, to brush my teeth and to change my clothes. Here, my little tight pants to sleep with. They look comfy. Let's see. So guys, that's gonna be the last vlog of the day because we're ready for the bed. Everyone is already sleeping, so see you tomorrow. Wonderful good morning from our train. We slept very well. Now it's 6:30 and we have to make our bed again, 2 seats.
Adventure. It's 7:15 in the morning. Now we're gonna find our driver. Like, need to buy mosquito spray because the mosquitoes here are so bad.
We made it to our camp. So guys, after 12 hours in the train, we finally got to
made this.
the elephant camp.
Which I like Orchid.
And the good thing here is that the elephants are completely free and they don't support that we ride the elephants. So the elephants here are taking care, take care of them and wash them and Yeah.
They also support the women here that they go to school, learn new languages or get a job.
That's also very social project here.
Yeah.
Very nice.
So about the train ride, would you recommend it?
Definitely. I think it was more comfortable than with the airplane.
It was like flying in the airplane, but first class.
But first class, yeah, you could like sleep in your bed.
I slept the whole train ride. It was so comfortable. I picked up the, how do you say, for the ears, you know?
Earplugs.
Earplugs and a sleep mask, and it was perfect. I slept from 10 until 6 in the morning, and then we got waked up by coffee and tea.
Yeah, so guys, if you want to go to Chiang Mai from Bangkok,
or Chiang Mai to Bangkok,
yes, we
or
would
to another place.
definitely recommend you the train.
We booked the train over. Oh, we have a friend
Hi.
here. Hi. Hey. Sorry.
We got disturbed by someone. They also have a lot of dogs here.
Okay, back. So we booked it over 12 Go Asia. You can book like any train ride, bus ride in whole Asia. It's very good. So we get the ticket online immediately, and we can choose the seats. So we recommend you to book the seats downstairs.
Why?
You get 2 layers. Reasons are, first, you will get the lights will be on all the night. So if you have the seats under, it will not be so bright. The second thing is because the air condition is on the top of the train, so you will be like safe from the cold air. Because if you're on the top,
You get sick after.
you get sick after. You have more space because it's bright. It's more. You have more space than upstairs, and of course you don't have to climb up. So yeah, we definitely recommend you to book the seats under, and look that you book the seats in the middle of the train, because if you are like in the entries, you will hear the toilet flushing all the time and the doors.
Ah, that's a good advice. I didn't think about that.
Yeah. So that's also a pro tip for you guys. And we paid around
A pro trip.
$30.
$30, I think.
Per
Yeah.
person, yeah. And you have also place for the luggages under. You get also the possibilities to get some food there. It's more expensive than outside. We recommend you to buy enough water and snacks in the 7-Eleven.
Yes, because it's cheaper.
It's
Way
cheaper, and if you're hungry during the train ride, so you have something to eat, and bring a good book that you have time to read, because they make the bed at around 7:30 already.
Yes, and you have some light for you to read or do
Yeah,
something.
you can also plug your phone, so it's really comfortable. I didn't expect that. I was like positively
Surprise.
surprised. Yeah.
Yes, okay guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button
Yes,
to
and
follow
give us a
our
like.
journeys and give us a like.
Yeah, and one more advice for you guys: if you get out of the train in Chiang Mai, we recommend you to go out of the train, and there will be a lot of people asking for taxis and things like that. So we recommend you to go out and go to the 7-Eleven and book your Bolt, Uber, whatever there, to get a comfortable way to your hotel. So,
Our smoothies are coming. Thank you.
thank you.
See you in the next one, guys.